Welcome to this tips and tricks video using system Windows within Insight software. For information on all our how-to video guides, visit www.sagaciti.co.uk. We're looking at using multiple system windows, and we're on the RAG matrix view for the toolkit review of operational delivery, but you can select your toolkit from here. We're looking at the principle number 1, and both that heading and the view all evidence takes you to this screen, which is the principle type view. We're showing the details, and we're looking at the definition and the various evidence entry boxes you have. We're actually going to open this in a new window. If you're experienced operating with multiple windows, this video might not be for you. But basically we're going to go to the same place we're on the left hand page. And you see we've unpinned the sidebar. And on this page we can open up the various evidence entry boxes. We're going to look at change drivers at 1.1.1.1, and we have the definition over here on the left hand side. So you have some options. In this case we're just going to Command C to copy the text, and we're going to come over here and enter it by Command V. That obviously gives you the opportunity to see what's there or to amend it. Or you can copy the whole thing if you like and paste it into the box and use that as a prompt. It's a good way of building your evidence and a good way of remembering what it is you need to be thinking of whilst you're actually completing the evidence in the entry box. The other option, of course, is to review the evidence requirements and definitions on the left hand side, just to remind you about what you need to write on the right hand side. You can, of course, use your system's dictation facility to dictate straight into the evidence box. That can save you quite a lot of time, particularly if your typing skills are as bad as mine. So then we just save the evidence. So we're going to go back to the RAG matrix to get to the side menu, and we're going to look at the more information section. Here you find useful help and guidance. And it may help to use multiple windows so that you can have the information and guidance open on one side of the screen while you're working on the other, particularly when it comes to scoring, just to get you into the swing of remembering what's green, amber and red, and what the definitions are, and some guidance about what you might want to look for. You can also access our help page from here with links to all the how-to videos. So some are more detailed about understanding some of the principles behind the Insight software, and some are how-to, and some are quick tips and tricks like this one. And we've also got one on understanding how the RAG pie charts work. So these are really useful quick glance guide to how things are progressing. So on this side we're going to go to the sub-element view. And basically we have a principal RAG pie chart like this one, and a approach RAG pie chart. And then we've got overall ones and dashboard ones. And the overall ones are at the bottom of the RAG matrix. And they can be seen here. So it might be helpful to be able to see the description and the guidance. And in the dashboard we also identify what the different scoring levels do and what they're showing you. So hopefully this is a really useful introduction to using multiple windows, but if you require any further information, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@sagaciti.co.uk.